Hi guys, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Renske and today I'm going to share with you my tips and tricks on online shopping. So today I'm just basically going to explain what I do to make online shopping a bit easier and a bit more fun for me. So I really love to be in fashion, and the last couple of days I have done some serious online shopping. So I thought the other day when I was doing that, like maybe I should explain the things that I do to maintain it a little bit, to keep it organized, so I know what to buy and I know what I want to buy, and I know the pieces that I want to keep in mind for maybe if they come in sale or something like that, and then I just know what I want to buy from the sale. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have my laptop in front of me, so if you see me look down a little bit, you know why. So the other day I was on the internet obviously, and I kind of discovered the site Storets. I have heard of them before and I have seen a lot of people on my Instagram wearing their clothes and that kind of things, but I actually never really looked at their website. So I decided to give it a try and just look a little bit around. And basically that's what I did. I actually kind of fell in love with the site of Storets. Usually what I do when I find a new website is I will go to the section where they sell their dresses and I will just look a little bit around in their dresses. And this sounds a little bit weird, but a dress is the most important thing in my closet, I would say. It's the most important piece of clothing that I own, I think so. I have so much dresses, so I always can tell on a website if I don't like the dresses on their website. I usually don't like the rest on their website as well. That's basically how I select stores if I want to shop there or not. And Storets was definitely a site that I did like the dresses, so I think I will like the rest of the site as well. So here is the site of Storets. So what I do is I basically filter a lot of things out. So I am so new on the website of Storets and I can tell that you can only filter out a couple of things. So I'm just filtering it out on dresses right now and then on my size. So usually I also filter out the colors that I like. So for example, I filter on the colors white, pink, blue, yellow, purple, name it, that kind of colors. And then I have a kind of selection on the colors that I like as well. But on the website of Storets I cannot find this filter, so I am definitely not going to use that. But I did filter out the part that I only want to see dresses right now and my size. I don't filter out my size all of the time, just because sometimes, especially when I am shopping on a site like ASOS or something like that, I know there are a lot of pieces that usually come in stock and then get out of stock very quickly, and then I just don't filter on sizes, because that means that if I see something and it is out of stock in my size, it doesn't mean that it is not coming back in my size. If you understand what I mean. Okay, so another thing that I just learned from the website Storets is that they have kind of strange sizes. They have like S/M and that kind of thing, so I shouldn't actually also filter out my size, but that's fine. I'm just not going to filter out anything then right now. Normally I do that. Then I'm going to scroll to everything that they own. So I am seeing a lot of dresses right now, and for example I really like this one. What I do then is I double click on the dress or on the picture and I click on open link in new tab. And I find it's really easy because this way I have a overview of everything that I like at the end, and that's just basically everything that I do when I see something that I like. Also I really like this one. It's basically the same dress but then in blue, but I do really like it. And that is just basically what I do. I will just scroll through everything that I think I will like and then double click, open, tap a new link. And that way I just have a nice overview of everything that I like at the end of my scrolling experience. So I basically just keep scrolling to the side until I have found everything that I liked. And let's be honest, I have found a lot of things already. Like the tabs of my Safari page are filling up very quick. But I just see so many cute things. Honestly, even in the sale I see so many cute summer dresses, but also things that are a little bit already for winter, I would say, probably from last winter. But hey, there are some very cute things in here that are really suitable for coming winter and fall and that kind of things, I would say. So I will just look at everything and just filter out everything that I like. I also try to not only filter out things that are really like predictable for me, but I also try to filter out the things that are a little bit different, but I also like. So I have some maybe new pieces that I can challenge myself with a little bit, because otherwise my closet will look the same year and year and year after each other, and that's not bad, but not always what I want. So I always try to just look at some new things if I may like them as well. So I'm just going to explain what I do next only with the dresses that I filtered out, because if I need to filter out the whole website, I will be here until tomorrow probably. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you the dresses that I picked out and what I do next, because I'm not done with filtering. I just really like to filter out everything until I am sure that everything that I picked out is something that I honestly really love. So what I do next is I will just open the tabs that I just picked out, and I will look at them again and making sure with myself if this is something that I really like and if this is something that I consider buying, like that kind of things. For example, this dress I do really like. I love this thing and I think it will look super cute. It's so summery and I really like that it is a little bit pleated, I would say, and obviously I love the color. So then this is a dress that I'm quite sure of that I do like, so this tab can stay open, and I'm just going to do that with all of these ones to just make sure everything that I picked out is actually something that I really like. And I really like this one as well. This is going terrible. But then, for example, something like this I do like as well, but I'm not really the cami kind of girl, I would say. And yeah, I don't know, I just really like a dress better with a little bit of a sleeve. That's something that I like more. So maybe this is not something that I really love, but this definitely is one of those pieces that are a bit more challenging for me. This one I do really like. They have a similar one on Zara. Yeah, they had one last year in a kind of trench coat color, and this year they have a same kind of dress but then in a kind of leathery material in dark green, which is also really pretty. But I'm not really the person for that dark clothes, so I wasn't too sure if I should buy it or not. And then I saw this one just a couple of minutes ago on this website, and this is something that I do really like, so definitely going to keep that open. But for example, this dress, this is a dress that I do think is super beautiful, but when am I going to wear this? I mean, I don't have any occasion to wear a dress like this anytime soon, because the Netherlands is still in a kind of lockdown. We actually have a smart lockdown, but basically the events are cancelled until the 1st of September, which is terrible. But yeah, I don't think that I should buy a event kind of dress if I'm not going to be able to go to an event. So I think this one I will skip. And then I saw this one and I love this thing. It's so cool. It's only sold out in my size, I'm just noticing. Just the fact that I know now that they have stuff like this, I will definitely keep storets in mind when I'm going to shop for fall winter next season, because this is something that I definitely would wear in fall winter, and that's the reason that I will not buy it now, especially since it's not in my size. I'm not going to save this to be watched because it is in sale, so the chance that my size is coming back in stock is not that big. This one I'm just going to skip. Then I saw this one, which I also like, but I do feel like the top part is going to make me a bit wide because there's a lot of stuff going on the top part of this dress. I think I will skip this one. And then I had this one. This one I do really like, but the color is a bit, so I think that I will skip this one. Then this one I do really like. They have it in pink but also in white, and they are both so beautiful. Is it in S? No, both not. Okay, so those two are not in my size, and this is a sale item again, so I'm going to skip this. And then this dress, oh yeah, this one was also really pretty. I am going to save because look how pretty this is. I love embroidered, I cannot say that, but I love that embroidered anglais. Yeah, okay, so I really love that. And this one is just so pretty and so elegant with the whole neckline and that kind of things. I just love it. So it's still available in my size as well. So definitely going to save this one. And now you basically see what I did with all of the dresses, because I filtered it once, but now I filtered it twice, and now I am sure that everything that is in here is something that I actually think that I want. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to open my phone. I am going to open up my Safari in my phone, but I am just going to open the tabs that I just opened in my computer. I'm going to open in my phone because I want to save the pictures to Pinterest. And back in the days you could do that through your laptop, but something happened and now I cannot do that anymore. I'm not really sure what happened, but I cannot save pictures from websites on my Pinterest boards through my laptop anymore, but I still can do it through my phone. So I'm just going to open, for example, this tab in my phone, and then I'm going to save this dress onto my Pinterest board. So this one I'm going to save on my spring summer board. So what you do is you click on the little share button down below, and then you click on the button Pinterest, and then you can pick out the picture that you want to save on your Pinterest board. So I'm just going to pick this one, and then I will select next, and then I will click on the board where I want to save it, obviously. So for me it's the SS20 fashion one, and it's saving right now, and now it is saved on my Pinterest board. And that's basically what I do with all of the pieces. So now I have saved everything to my Pinterest board, and there's not really much on this Pinterest board right now because I just ordered a lot of things yesterday. So basically everything that I had organized on this board is gone because I have bought it. Basically what I like the most about this is that you have an overview of everything that you like. So I really hope that my tips helped you out, and if they did and you like this video, you probably like my other videos too. So make sure to watch them and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and comment down below which tip was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on Friday. Bye!